bleeding during pregnancy. Why I was having bleeding during my pregnancy, and what were the causes, what were the precautions taken, and whatever it is, I will sharing my experience with you all. So I was pregnant. When I was pregnant, I was not knowing until 2 months. 2 months I was not having any symptoms of pregnancy, and it was not confirmed also. So might be I did not take proper care of myself, or what, I don't know. But after once it was 2 months, 2 months after missing my pregnancy, after missing my periods, I took a pregnancy test, and where it came out as a positive. And in my ninth week of pregnancy, I had a complete bleeding. There is a big difference between bleeding and spotting. Spotting is something, there will be only dark brown spots or light spots on your panty, but whereas bleeding is like there will be heavy bleeding, wherein your pad will be fully wet, like completely your one pad will be wet. It was that day when I suddenly felt that I was having bleeding, that something was bleeding, that something is flowing. So when I checked, it was bleeding. So I was having bleeding on that day, and I was very worried about it. I did not have any tissue. I did not have any tissue going out or anything, only blood. Then I had put a pad in the evening, and till morning, till night, whole day I was bleeding, and one full pad was wet. And I thought that I'm no more pregnant and it is end. The next day, I went to the doctor to confirm what had happened with me, and doctor, she checked, and she told me, she wrote me a emergency scanning. I did the scanning, wherein the doctor confirmed that the baby's growth is fine, the baby is doing fine, the baby's heartbeat was fine, and everything was fine. So I was doubting, why did I have that bleeding in my pregnancy. So I was diagnosed with a usually some pregnant women have it, and it is called as subchorionic hematoma. Is something wherein a blood clot will be there in between your baby's wall and your amniotic fluid wall. I'll show it in the picture to you all. There will be a blood clot. So sometimes it will be brown in color, but I had completely red bleeding. And after once in the morning, once I changed the pad, there was only a little bit of brown spotting. And after that, I went to the doctor in the morning, and when I checked and the scanning was done, and after that everything, doctor told, they wrote me an injection, which is progesterone something injection was there, and they advised me to take a tablet. They said me that pregnancy is very risky. You might have 10% chance of getting miscarriage, so you should take proper care of yourself. And they just wrote me a tablet, and I was just taking those tablet daily. I came home, and then after 10 days again I had same thing, same. This time it was not bleeding, I was just spotting, and there was little spotting for 2 days. I kept quiet. Then after third day, I felt little bit nervous. I should go to the doctor. Then again, doctor told me that it's the same thing. There are chances of miscarriage. You have to take care of yourself. No lifting heavy weight, and all. And then after that, I came home. I was advised to the same injection and same tablets. After 15 days, I used to take progesterone injections and tablets. And after that, after 2 more months, I thought that first my in my my first scan was then done. Early pregnancy scan was done. After that, this emergency scan, I got to know that there is a blood clot, and the baby's growth is going normal. After that, I had NT scan. Doctor told that I'm having almost 30 of subchronic hematoma in my stomach, which is a very large thing. And after few days, after 1 month, the tablets were continued, and I was not having any bleeding for almost 15 to 20 days. After that, I had, this is my third. First time I had bleeding, then second time I had spotting, then third time I had again bleeding. And after that, I went to the doctor again because I was having bleeding, and I did not resist myself from going to the doctor. I went to the doctor, and doctor told me to do one more scanning. Then I did one more scanning, wherein the blood, the whatever blood had gone was not harming my baby, and the baby growth was continued, and wherein the hematoma was reduced from 30 to 2 to 3 means little was there. So you have to take in subchronic hematoma, you have to take proper care of yourself. You have to take, you should not lift anything heavy. You should take as much rest as possible. And if God wants, the risk will be reduced. Mine, it is reducing day by day, and I'm fine as of now, and I'm 5 months pregnant today. So anyone who is having subchromic hematoma, this video is for you all, or anyone who is having bleeding in your pregnancy, keep calm, have faith in your doctor, and take proper care of yourself. Whatever was my experience, I shared it with you all. If you all have any further queries, or with proper care, with proper precautions, this can be reduced. Take proper care of yourself. And one thing to mention, bleeding always doesn't mean miscarriage. Okay, take proper care of yourself. If this video was really helpful to you all, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.